Hello, my name's Gilbert Brandt, and this video is Home Builders Iowa. You notice right here, if you go to Home Builders, this is the Google 3-pack. If you want to get your business on this Google 3-pack, this is one of my specialties. But let's see first how many people are on this Google 3-pack. If you scroll down here, it's going to show you Home Builders from Waterloo, Cedar Rapids, Des Moines, Iowa City. Everybody that's got a Google Places account, right here, you hit it and it goes to 10. That's 20 per page. That's 200. And there's actually more than that, because if you go here, there's actually 14 pages, except the 14th page isn't completely full. But there's 13, so there's a minimum of 260 people that are competing for these top 3 spots. Now, if you want to be on one of them 3 spots, it's not as hard as what you think. It just takes some time. But if you also want your website on on the front page for Home Builders in Waterloo, Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, wherever you want to be, if you want to be on the top 3 here, this is going to get the most clicks any. Let me show you a quick example here. You go to Internet Marketing Services Iowa, and again, here's the Google 3-pack for there's me, SEO to video. Now let's see how many people I'm competing against. For Internet Marketing Services Iowa, scroll down here. There's all the ones on the map. There's 5 pages. So there's 4 full pages of 20, that's 80. And this is just about a full page, so I literally I outrank over 95 people for Internet Marketing Services. All the marketers in the state of Iowa that claim that they're great SEOs and know what's going on and everything, they still don't outrank me. Now I could rank your website for this too. Now you want to see something even more amazing, quick like here? Watch this. I can't even believe this. And I'm still trying to figure this one out myself. Internet Marketing Services. This would be a worldwide or a nationwide search. On Google Maps, I guess it'd be just nationwide for the whole United States. Let's see, look at this number, 7,460,000,000. And I'm in the top 3. Well, that's just unbelievable. So now, like I said, if you want to get your company or your business for home building, I'm targeting especially home builders this month. You want to get your home building business on the front page of Waterloo or Cedar Rapids or Iowa City, just give me a call or send me an email. Thank you.